Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this inspired look for you. It is a grey, blackish, smoky eye. Does not really make sense. Well, it is like the magazine ad that I had was Flashdance, so it basically looked like this. Only a few products. It's still snowing outside. You will see my excitement in the video. I was very excited. Yeah, this very easy look doesn't take a lot of time. It takes a bit of blending, but that's about it. And yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started with the video. Okay, so let's get started. It is, again, really cold. I don't know why, but it is. I want to do this look today. There you go. I don't have a silver look, but I don't have a silver look. I have a silver shadow, but I have a black shadow, and I feel like maybe if I put another one on top, maybe it will work. Oh no, there's a dog coming, and my dog is gonna growl. While he is growling, soon, I will just get everything I need. So I think I got everything out. We're just gonna start off with the basic stuff, basically. The basic stuff, basically, yes. So I'm gonna use my Hasina 2 palette, and I'm gonna use Ash just all over the eyelid, because it's a black shadow and I feel like, might as well go for it. I know that Ash is not that pigmented, at least from what I remember, so. Okay, this is basically non-existent. And I use this on a Emite brush. I think that's how you say it, I don't know. Just all over the eyelid. You know what? I'm gonna use some washi tape. I know, it's weird, I know. I have this one, this is not as sticky. Or maybe it is, Jesus. Just put it back in my hand so it's not that sticky anymore. And then I just do a winged thing over here. Is that? No. Like this. Then the other side as well. You can also use like normal Scotch tape or whatever. So this is around the same. So then I'm gonna apply this all over the lid. And she has it like really up into here as well. Yeah, like I said, this shadow is not that pigmented. But it's the only black shadow that I have, so I'll continue using it. It looks better on the camera. So like this. And the other side as well. And then I want to use Take It For Granted. Take It For Granted. I don't know how I'll say you. Take It For Granted by The Bomb. And yes, I hit play on this one. Very excited. All over to make this. Oh, okay, this was maybe a bit too much. Tap it on to get this like a silver. To make a silver out of this. Tapping it on this side as well. Right, just like this. And then I go back in with Ash. Just to tone this a bit down. I'm gonna quickly use this shadow here. It's just a blending shade. I'm just gonna blend like this. And while we're at it, also going to do my eyebrows, which I use Antique by Makeup Revolution. And again, I don't really do anything crazy with that, I just fill them in. Like this. And I'm brushing it through. I'm just gonna quickly do concealer. It is snowing outside. Oh my god. I love snow. I love anything like wintery. Wintery? You know what I mean? Oh my god. I love it. Okay, so I'm gonna quickly do concealer and mascara and powder, and then I'll be back. Okay, so I have done concealer and mascara, and then I'm just gonna do a highlighter. This is Champagne Truffle by Too Faced, and then just here in the corner. First, putting it down like this, and then once I have that on, I'm gonna blend it in. Like this. And then a lot of blush. Maybe not a lot of blush, but yes, okay, let's do a lot of blush then, okay. I don't even know what this looks like. Horrible. That's what it looks like. No, 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 no. Shit. And I'm also going to use highlighter, of course. This is Sleek Face Form Contouring and Blush Palette. Oh my god, that was rough. That's rough to say. Okay, like this. And over here. Yes, I love this highlighter. It's so beautiful. Oh yeah, the blush that I used was one by Essence Matte Touch Blush in Peach Me Up. And then last but not least, this lipstick is by Catrice Plumping Gel Lipstick 040 Confidence Coat. I think that's matching the other one that she has on in the ad very well. So that was it. This was my inspired look. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I'll see you next one. Bye. Okay, so let's get started. Yes, autofocus is still on. Oh, hello. I haven't slept that much. I don't know if you can tell. Maybe I should do like this, huh? My head down. Oh my god, my head's a mess.